New birds have just dropped. You can tell they're new because they are not caring about me filming them, and I'm like very close to the window filming these little critters. So that's how you know they're young little birdies, freshly hatched, or freshly out of the nest, even the nest for the first time. They just don't really care too much. If this was other birds, they would be just running away, but these ones don't care so much. So I think it's that season or time of year where those birds just run away from their nest and go somewhere else.